All right, we are going to do a test drive, 1970 Volvo P1800. Just a quick drive through San Luis Obispo here. I'm at a red light, getting ready to go. I'll try and rev the thing up a little bit as traffic allows, and probably shift somewhere around 4,000 to 4,500 RPM. I don't want to ring it out too bad. It's not my car, but you'll see it drives very nicely. Electronic overdrive. All of a sudden everything gets quiet and just cruise. Doing about 55 currently. Got a yellow light coming up. We'll hit the overdrive off. So we should be able to do freeway speeds here on this next road if we can get in. Hopefully the sound's not too bad. Just using the stock GoPro mic. Those shifts were right at 4,500. And obviously I ran out of space to open her up anymore. But we'll go ahead and hit the overdrive. Traffic's not going to really allow us to get over 45 or 50 miles an hour right now. The car's very tight. There's no delay in the steering. Everything's very tight. Suspension feels good. Brakes are excellent. I know that's not the most exciting drive along video, but at least you could hear it go through the gears, make sure that everything works properly. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll do what I can for you. Thanks for watching.